Hey guys, it's Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick Power Lead System review. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015, earning a full-time income and showing others how to do the same. Power Lead System has been around for 10 years, paying out every single week, and I'm extremely excited to just show people how to use this product, how to promote the Power Lead System, and how to earn a residual income using this system. It's extremely easy to do. And what I'm going to do tonight is show you my earnings from last week that went directly into my bank account from this system. I've earned thousands of dollars with the Power Lead system. Why? Because it's duplicatable. It's easy for people to use. And we have a share code where people can actually take the funnels that we have and use them to generate traffic to and earn a commission. So with the Power Lead system, well, before I get into that, last week I was paid out $913.60 from the Power Lead system that went directly into my bank account. By just clicking this button here, you're paid within 24 to 48 hours, and this is every single Wednesday. So these are weekly payments, guys, weekly payments. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to have that go directly into my bank account, and then I'm going to show you where the payments actually go to and how you can start receiving a residual commission utilizing the Power Lead system. So I'm going to sign into my, it's called a Paylution account. Here. Okay, and then what we can do is you can get paid by a debit card, or you can have the funds transferred directly to your bank account. I'm going to transfer funds directly to my bank account. Hit this transfer maximum account, which will be $912.60. And then I'm going to hit the continue button. This is going to automatically transfer this money into my bank account within the next 24 to 48 hours, okay? So transfer funds, I'm all set. So now to show you where the payments actually go, okay? I'm signing into my Bank of America account, which is where the funds will be transferred within the next 24 to 48 hours, okay? So I'm going to pull up Priceless Possibilities, which is what comes up when you're paid from them. And these are the payments that I received. The last payment was for $3,545.72. That was just done on August 8th, which was just a couple of days ago, okay? July 13th, $691.11. July 6th, $4,230. June 25th, $4,705.53. And June 13th, $6,137.67. So as you can see, the payments are very consistent with the Power Lead system, and you can really leverage the opportunity by coming in as high as you can. So some people want to know what are the different levels for the Power Lead system. You have the gold level, which is $53 per month. It allows you to get residual $20 commissions from each person that comes into your downline. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. It allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. You have the platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497, and it allows you to get unlimited $400 commissions. And then at the Master Traffic Institute, which is the highest level, you make a one-time payment of $1,497, and you're going to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. So here, going into my account, if you click on commissions earned, it actually shows you the commissions that you've been paid for each week. So far for this week, I'm at $1,635 for the week in commissions. Last week, I made $2,340 for the week in commissions. And you can go back as far as you want, and it shows you all of the payments you receive from the Power Lead system by just using different traffic generation strategies that you're going to be taught how to use, which is extremely easy to do. It takes about 1 to 2 hours per day. That's all I'm using. And it allows you to consistently earn these commissions by just getting the Power Lead system. If you already have a business opportunity, you can connect that opportunity to the Power Lead system and generate commissions from your business opportunity and from the Power Lead system. If you are having a hard time generating consistent leads and commissions, this is the program that's going to help you to do that. You become an affiliate for Power Lead system, and then you get your funnel set up. At the higher levels, I will set up the funnel for you within 24 to 48 hours, where you can start driving traffic on a consistent basis and earning commissions. Okay, you're going to grow your list, your email list. This also has the autoresponder connected to it. So there's an autoresponder in the back office that has a month, 1 month's worth of email swipes that will go out to people that opt into your capture page. It has a high converting sales page, and again, the autoresponders. So you can make a ton of different capture pages using the Power Lead system. You'll learn how to do that. You will learn the different training modules that they have available for you as you upgrade to different levels. And then also there's live trainings on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sunday evenings that you can get your team plugged into that does all of the selling and telling for you. So if this is something that you may be interested in, you can just click on the description below, and my link is included in the description. You can also click on the description and connect with me through Facebook, or reach out to me through email if you have any questions, and my phone number is also available. So if you want more information, just click on the description below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to follow my results and to see how I'm doing for the next few months to come. If this is something that you're interested in, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will have a notification of the newest videos that are loaded to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel, everyone that views my videos. I'm extremely humble and grateful for this experience to share with you guys, and I look forward to working with you in the future. So thanks again, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Have a great night. Bye.